Is your inverter battery failing to charge? Before you consider buying a replacement, let's look at how to diagnose the issue safely. Find the real problem first. Do not rush to buy a new battery. A simple check can save you money, so you must find the root cause before replacing any equipment. Understanding the process is key. The wall socket supplies AC power, which the inverter then converts to DC current to charge and store energy in your battery. Start by checking the AC mains supply. Inspect the inverter's indicators, the wall plug, and your home's circuit breakers. Don't assume the inverter has power just because your lights are on. Next, verify your inverter settings to ensure the correct battery type is selected. Also, inspect the charger fuse for signs of damage, but remember, never bypass a broken fuse with wire. Secure your battery terminals. Loose or corroded connections can stop electrical flow and slow down charging. Clean them carefully and tighten the lug screws firmly, but never short the terminals. If you have flooded tubular batteries, maintain proper water levels. Keep the internal plates fully covered using only distilled or demineralized water. Note that sealed AGM or VRLA batteries should never be opened. Test the resting battery voltage with a multimeter. A healthy 12-volt battery should show between 12.6 and 12.8 volts, while a flat battery reads 12.0 volts or lower. Keep in mind that normal voltage doesn't guarantee full capacity. Watch the voltage rise when you turn on the AC mains power. If there is no change on your multimeter screen, it may indicate an open connection or a charger failure. Beware of sulfation. When batteries are left empty, hard sulfate crystals can form, destroying internal capacity. This often causes the battery to reach full voltage too quickly and die rapidly under load. Consider the age of your battery. Over time, heat and deep discharges naturally degrade performance, and older batteries will eventually lose their ability to hold a charge. Stop immediately if you notice burning smells, visible smoke, melted cable insulation, severe terminal heating, or a bulging, leaking battery case. Use this table to match specific symptoms to their likely causes, helping you narrow down whether the issue is with your AC input, connections, or the battery itself. Follow this troubleshooting flow to systematically check your system, from verifying AC power to assessing battery health and connections. Diagnose safely and call a professional for internal repairs. You can safely handle external checks, but inverters contain hazardous voltages, and professional help ensures your safety and protects your equipment.